Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.
On Saturday, the national president of the National People's Youth Front of the NPP, Nicky Nongkhlaw, had addressed media persons on the allegations made by the state TMC leaders against leaders of the National People's Party. Refuting such allegations, Nicky Nongkhlaw pointed out several scams involving leaders of the All India Trinamool Congress throughout the state of West Bengal. He added that the president of the AITC, Mamata Banerjee, who had earlier protested against the setting up of the Tata Motors Automobile Factory at Singur in West Bengal, on the pretext that farmers of the area will be affected by industrialisation of the place, has done nothing for the well-being and development of the farming community in Singur. The national president of the Npyf therefore urged upon the AITC leaders of Meghalaya to first consider their own faults and flaws before pointing at those of other parties.
Yes, the allegations that they have put has been always baseless. They have never been able to substantiate those allegations that they've put. Whereas I just would like to share this with the people of the state, also with the press fraternity. We have compiled a small thing with regards to the AITC and the senior leadership that they have. Starting with the kind of scams that have been going on nationally with the members of the AITC, be it in the national and the state level in West Bengal. To start off with Mr. Abhishek Banerjee, who is also the General Secretary and also the nephew of Mamata Banerjee. He himself is connected to a money laundering case and also linked to the Bengal coal scam, and in which the Enforcement Directorate is now questioning the corrupt leader, in which his wife is also involved. Secondly, Mr. Partha Chatterjee, who has also looted over 50 crores of public money through the West Bengal School Service Commission. His deeds have spoiled the future of many of the students and the children. And we see TMC speaking about education, for them speaking about every other thing in the state, whereas their leaders have been involved in such scams. The next person we speak about is Mr. Anubrata Mandal, who also has been arrested by the CBI based on the cattle smuggling across to Bangladesh. These are the things that TMC has been speaking about the NPP in the state, and this is some things that we have substantiated. Okay. Mr. Vinay Mishra, who also has a scam of 13.63 crores of a company linking to the TMC, this TMC youth leader, Mr. Vinay Mishra. Okay, and this scheme is related to the eastern coalfields and the mines that are in Kanstoria and Kajora, which is in and around Asansol. Mr. Manik Bhattacharya, also one of the leaders of the TMC, who is also questioned by the Enforcement Directorate in connection with the money laundering in aspect to the SSC, Teachers Recruitment Scam. Whereas here, they show sympathy to the teachers. So what kind of security is the TMC bringing to the state? What kind of security is it going to provide to the people, especially who are settled in the border areas? If this is the kind of ideology that the TMC is coming in with, how do they speak about ILP? Why do they speak about ILP? There are many things that we have seen them putting up on social medias. Pictures of a bad road with Meghalaya deserves better. My question to them is that these roads have they just been like that since 2018? Or those villages have just come into existence in 2018? Or those villages always there from before? The leadership of TMC in the state had many opportunities to take up so many issues concerning the state, but did not do so. So now the big question is, why are you putting so much allegations against our party? What clarification do you have to put with regards to all of these cases that exist with your top leadership in the party? I think the people of Meghalaya also deserves to know what kind of a party has come in.